So if you're working with a garage door opener, or maybe a gate operator, or a device that requires these, a Liftmaster device that uses these particular openers. This one here is an 893 Max. You might find that some of the third-party controllers that let you use your cell phone will not pair with the opener. And so you're stuck saying, hey, I can only use a Liftmaster remote and I can't get another one to pair and work with it. Here's a trick you can do to the opener to let you have a third-party device activate the opener itself and send that signal to open your gate or your garage door opener. So all I've done here is opened up the remote. You see you got your little board here, and there's the 3 buttons that correspond with your remote. These are like this: first button, second button, third button. And on the back of each button there's 4 soldering points onto the board. That correspond, they're right behind it. And what I'm showing you here is how I've just soldered those 2 connections at that far left button onto a couple wires, and then drilled a hole in the back of the remote, and then just put those wires out with an adapter here that I'm just going to plug into my third-party device that's going to trigger the opening and closing. And that's it. So that's how the insides of these remotes work. When you push a button, you're just covering those contacts on the back. By soldering this wire in there, you're able to mimic the activity of actually pushing the button. And then by just mounting this remote somewhere within range of your device you need to open, you can have your third-party device put their connections right into here, and then trigger it with your app or whatever third-party system you're going to use, and then that'll in turn fire off the remote. So check the description. I'll put a link to any relevant parts that you could use to do this. You might need an extra opener, you might need some connectors or whatnot. So check the description of the video and you'll find the links in there. And I hope that helps you out. Have a great day.